Okay, so you can see here that I made my rocket out of a plastic bottle. What I did is I poked a hole in the top and then I screwed the top on. I then put a little bit of rubbing alcohol into the bottom and I kind of shook it around and got it dissolved and evaporated. So that's what I did for the first week, and then my second week I taped on some wings. Where I got this idea from is this YouTube video. We'll skip forward a little bit. As you can see there, he just used a normal plastic bottle. Here he's using what looks like a glass one. Later on in the video, it actually is too heavy. And so this is what I was doing as far as shaking it, getting rid of that extra vapor. This is when he actually lights it off. So instead of a match, I was using like a lighter that you would use to light a candle. And then again, here is my rocket there. And then my table that has the time in the air, the time it took to go off. And here is my first video. At first I wasn't sure, how far it was going to go, so that was it made me nervous about where to shoot it off at. This is my second video for the second week. This is when I added wings. This one went a little more smoothly just because I know kind of what was going on. What I would do differently is maybe try to add some weight or a different bottle, maybe poking a hole in the side. That way it could stand straight up and down. So my rocket related to all three of Newton's laws pretty well. The first one states an object at rest tends to stay at rest. So when I use the fire to make the bottle, or when I used the fire to shoot the bottle off, it actually made the bottle, which was at rest, move or shoot forward. Newton's second law states the greater the mass of an object, the more force it'll take to accelerate the object. So my rocket was a plastic bottle, so not much mass there. It was not much mass, therefore just the small fire of my lighter was able to move it. And then Newton's third law, this is the one that I found most challenging to kind of figure out what my rocket did, how it fit into this one. So this one says every action has an opposite or equal reaction. So when my fire came in contact with the rubbing alcohol, that reaction went towards the ground, and so the rocket went in the opposite direction, so up. I actually really like doing this. Definitely something I could see doing with my future classroom with students, helping them understand the concept.